In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily flip between your main profile picture and your avatar on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then hit add your profile picture and then hit add edit profile. Then hit on edit picture or avatar. Then switch to avatar and just enable this option, which is called add to profile picture. Just hit at that switcher to turn it on. If you haven't created avatar yet, right here you will find another great avatar icon, and you will be able to tap at that icon and create your avatar first. After that, hit on edit picture or avatar and do all these steps. And from now on, all the users that opens up your profile page will be able to flip your profile picture to your avatar and back to your profile picture, just like that. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.